Chad Crouch with MarineMax, and we're looking at 2018 Correct Craft Nautique G25 Super Air. This boat is a newly traded boat to us, one owner, bought here new at Lake of the Ozarks. This boat has 50 hours, includes the 6.2 liter, 550 horsepower. This boat is spectacular and very babied, in great condition. Will make somebody a phenomenal opportunity on a G25. As you can see, this particular boat is victory red with gunmetal, white and black. It is absolutely loaded. It's got the heater defroster, lights, underwater, heated driver's seat, upgraded stereo, upgraded everything. So give us a shout. Come take a look. We've got it here at the marina at Lake Ozark. You can also see it at MarineMax.com or reach out to me at chad.crouch@marinemax.com and I'll send you the link.